cold is going to be so terrific here one of these days that you can hardly breathe with death walking down your nostrils.
Bomb cyclone, and this weekend, frankly, is set to be so intense that officials are pleading with people to just this morning adjust or flat out cancel their morning commutes if they can, just work from home, knowing that, again, the other differentiating factor of this storm is that brutal cold. Lows overnight here in the Chicagoland area are expected, Craig, to hover below zero well into the middle of next week. Oof.
Freezing your lungs up, and your breathing tubes to your lungs. This is on its way to America. And that you